Page 64, Blind Broadcast Template. Due to the fact that there is no official procedure listed by ICAO detailing how and when to communicate on frequency with other traffic while flying in uncontrolled airspace, pilots are encouraged to regularly broadcast their intentions blind at regular intervals to other traffic on the appropriate uncontrolled frequency. Due to the fact that there is no ATC service available to the pilots while operating in this type of airspace, it is important that they include as much information about their flight, including their call sign, aircraft type, relative position, height, and intentions when making such a transmission. By following this proposed type of transmission, a pilot is ensuring, to the best of their ability, that all operators in the relevant area are kept well informed of each other's position and intentions at all times. An example of such a blind broadcast follows.
Traffic in the Delta 200, Alpha Bravo Charlie, Piper Cherokee, overhead the quarry at 2,500 feet. Will be remaining in this area for the next 20 minutes, practicing steep turns to the left, Alpha Bravo Charlie.
The term TIBA, which stands for Traffic Information to be Broadcast by All Aircraft, is associated with all relevant blind broadcasts in uncontrolled airspace and includes all general flying areas, special rules areas, as well as all uncontrolled airspace situated below 1,500 feet above ground level. A pilot therefore needs to ensure that they make the relevant blind broadcasts while flying in these mentioned airspaces, and that this broadcast contains as much information as possible about their current flight path, routing, and intentions, so that possible air traffic in the area are notified timeously of each other's movements and can then continue to keep all traffic on frequency updated as well. If you wish to add additional information to this broadcast, then first consider whether this is really necessary, as there may be other pilots waiting to make their broadcast on that frequency as well, and lengthy broadcast can unfortunately create unnecessary frequency congestion. If required, you can communicate additional information not related to the flight itself with other users on frequency 123.45 MHz. This frequency is referred to as chit-chat or numbered.